Hi friends, I am happy that you decided to upgrade your ultimate health system. Before I switch and upgrade your system, let me give you a brief description. In the spiritual month of Ramzan, last year I was guided to create 33 energetic downloads for humanity and it benefited many participants. This holy month of Ramzan, I was guided to create 30 switch and upgrades as advanced energetic spiritual upgrades on various topics, on various themes of your life, which encompass most of the themes to create a happy and a successful and a healthy life. These upgrades will change your perspective and replace your limiting belief with the creator's perspective, creator's point of view. God, source, divine, no matter what you call it, created all of us whole and complete. But we limit ourselves due to our limited thinking, and here is an opportunity to switch, change, replace those limiting beliefs and create a new perspective to life and living. Receiving an energetic upgrades can be likened to the digital process of getting or downloading a file or program from the internet and putting it to your device or computer. The creator, divine source is the world wide web, like an internet, containing a vast collection of data, knowledge, wisdom, and information, and you are the device or the computer. In the movie Matrix, this was explained very well how plugged into the matrix useful information was downloaded from the matrix into the human consciousness. Looking at the current scenario where a lot of fear is accumulated in the collective consciousness, I will give the ultimate health upgrade as unconditional universal service to those who wish to receive. In order to receive this, you will need to close your eyes, place your hands on your heart, and repeat yes, yes, yes 3 times. By taking care of your physical body, eating well, exercising, and resting when you need to, you recharge your batteries to be able to sustain a balanced life. Keep up this balance to be able to give your best in everything in your life working well. When we find ourselves obsessively thinking or fearing the worst possible outcome, this is usually a sign that we are in survival mode and our mind and body are on alert and trying to protect us from some unseen or potential danger. This switch and upgrade will help shift your fear about health, and when we shift our inner state, we start to change our experience of life, and now we are ready to install ultimate health. Health is a state of complete physical, mental, and social well being, and not merely the absence of disease. Physical fitness is not the sole basis of being healthy. Being healthy means being mentally and emotionally fit. Being healthy should be part of your overall lifestyle. Living a healthy lifestyle can help prevent chronic diseases and long-term illnesses. Feeling good about yourself and taking care of your health are important for your self-esteem and self-image. Maintain a healthy lifestyle by doing what is right for your body. A positive attitude can boost your energy, heighten your inner strength, inspire others, and garner the fortitude to meet difficult challenges. Surround yourself with positive energy. In order to have a sound mental and emotional state, you must surround yourself with positive energy. Yes, not all problems can be avoided, but it helps to face such obstacles with an optimistic outlook. Surround yourself with encouraging friends and people that will provide you with constructive criticism every once in a while to help you improve. Make it a habit to always look at the brighter side of life. Even if you find yourself in the worst situation, there is always an upside to it. Something good and positive. Dwell on these things instead. Maintaining a healthy lifestyle is not that difficult, nor does it require a lot of work. Just keep doing what you do and apply the staying healthy tips and you will be well-rounded individual in no time. Clearing all fear that is not aligned with the highest frequency of health is the ultimate health upgrade. There are many upgrades which can help you in all areas of your life, like upgrades on love, life purpose, business growth, relationships, success, money, energy, confidence, self-esteem, releasing anxiety, overcoming depression, sleeping well, being assertive, being centered, creating healthy boundaries, effective communication, creativity enhancing, empowerment, friendship, being grateful, happiness, weight management, forgiveness, self-care, releasing stress, releasing struggle patterns, upgrading wisdom, being thoughtful and being in the now. If this resonates with you, you can definitely join for all the switch and upgrades during this holy month of Ramzan. For those who do not know me, I am Laila Ahmed, an intuitive trainer, author and a therapist. So do join in if you wish to receive all these upgrades into your consciousness. Now let us begin the advanced energetic spiritual upgrade on ultimate health from the divine vision, and I hope this energetic upgrades will help you maintain good health. To receive these downloads, simply close your eyes and breathe deeply. Breathe in and out. Breathe in and breathe out. While you are breathing out, say the word relax, relax, relax 3 times in your mind. This 3 aligning breath helps you to be on a higher frequency, aligned with body, mind and soul, to receive with alignment, and later you need to relax and just listen to my voice. Now take your attention to your heart center. Place your palm on your heart and just say yes, yes, yes to receive this upgrade on ultimate health. Allow yourself to receive this complete upgrade on all levels of your existence. You just need to listen. I am worthy of good health. I am loving my body and supporting its healing process. The positive thoughts I choose are helping my body heal. I love my body unconditionally. I am open to new things that will help my body heal. Say yes, yes, yes to receive these upgrades. I am in perfect health. I am at peace with my mind, body and soul. I am thankful for my perfect health and well-being. I treat my body like the most precious gift. I see my body getting stronger and stronger each day. Yes, yes, yes. I am living a long and healthy life. I am grateful that all my organs are functioning perfectly. I am appreciative that my body heals very quickly. I am filled with incredible energy. Yes, yes, yes. I am healthy all year long as my immune system protects me. I am such a magnet for health. I am in control of the mental atmosphere I create. Thoughts can be changed, and the positive thoughts I choose are helping me heal. Yes, yes, yes. I create good health by talking about and thinking about my wellness. I am a friend to my body. I forgive my body and treat it with the same loving kindness I would like to receive. I treat my discomfort and pain like I would an innocent child. I tend to my body with unconditional compassion and care. Yes, yes, yes. I am doing everything I can to help my body be well as quickly as possible. I am open to new ways of improving my health. I am living a healthy lifestyle. I am so grateful to be alive. I cherish being here. Yes, yes, yes. I keep my body in shape for myself and for my children and grandchildren. I am strong and powerful. I deserve to feel healthy and vibrant. My body is healthy and strong. Yes, yes, yes. Each day my body grows stronger. I breathe in relaxation and I breathe out all the tension and all the fears. I breathe in relaxation and I breathe out all the tension and all the fears. Yes, yes, yes. I am healthy and strong. My immune system is striving. I am destined to live a long and healthy life. My body has the power to heal itself. Yes, yes, yes. I treat my body with love and respect. I am resilient to illness and disease. I recover quickly from illness. I am healing more each day. Yes, yes, yes. My body is healthy and thriving. The older I get, the healthier I become. I am living my life in abundant health. I am breathing comfortably. I safely remain open to all positive shifts in my life. I am divine health. Yes, yes, yes. I am divine health. I am divine health. I am divine health. I am divine health. Focus on your heart chakra. Feel the energy of health spreading all across your body, surrounding you with a protective shield which blocks all the virus coming into your system. A divine protective shield, and while this shield is there, keep on repeating, I am divine health. I am divine health. I am divine health. Thank your Creator for this beautiful upgrade. Plug into the health consciousness. Feel and experience yourself being healthy, whole, and complete. May God bless you with divine health now and forever till your last breath. As and when you feel comfortable, you may slowly and gradually open your eyes, feeling better than before. These energetic upgrades are so powerful that listening will also help you upgrade your system on health from the Creator's perspective. If this resonates with you, do join the remaining upgrades so that you can create a better, happy, peaceful, and a joyful life. Till we meet next, light and fragrance to all of you.